Welcome to the first episode of UX Shorts for Beginners. The name doesn't slap, but the content does, hopefully. Starting off with a bang, it's social proof. And social proof is kind of like the digital equivalent to peer pressure, in my opinion. Remember when you were 14 and all your friends started smoking and you didn't want to be like the only one that doesn't? You didn't want to be like the nerd? No? Was it just me? Is it just me? Social proof works exactly like that. Why do you think Instagram keeps showing you how many likes a post got? And they not only showing you how many likes the post got, if your friends or accounts you follow like this post, they're gonna show you their names. And you're like, if Yaeli liked it, maybe I should like it too. Another example you're probably very familiar with is mostly found on e-commerce, where you see how many people are looking at the item, how many people have bought it. ASOS also shows you how many people have liked this particular item. So you're like, oh, okay, this is a good item, I should buy it too. Where you do not want to use this principle, imagine on dating apps you would see, Yaeli has had 10,000 matches and 100 dates in the last week. That would be creepy. And this UX principle goes hand in hand with scarcity, which again, the equivalent in real life is the proof that people like it hard to get. Because scarcity basically gives you the sense of urgency, whether it's time-limited offers or limited availability. And we all know the last day offer, only today. Now, it's important to say, I think all of UX principles can be used in a very unethical way. And the easiest example I can think of is showing limited time offer for discounted items when in reality, these items are always discounted. Or even there's only one candle in stock. Stop lying. That's not how inventory works. And yes, I'm talking to you, Temu. What's a really good usage of scarcity? I think Airbnb does it really good with the rare finds when they give you valuable information hey, this Airbnb isn't always available, so you're lucky you have it available on your dates. And Booking are doing the same thing as well, kind of different, when they say only 2 rooms are available on this price. And I think it's realistic because in the only few times that I could put my hands on the rare finds, it was really the only time that I can book these Airbnbs or hotels. They were always booked. Let me know when and where you've seen these UX principles, and let me know if you even enjoy this series and you want to see more episodes of it. And don't forget to like this video. 10,000 people like this video. 10 likes left in stock.